I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
Alright, just to show you how ridiculous it is outside, I'm gonna open this door. Be prepared. That's so much snow I gotta walk through tomorrow. My window, or at least one of them, is pretty much filled in with snow. This is the result of a quote-unquote major snowstorm moving into the city. That is what the backyard looks like. Can't really see very well. I'm not going to open the window either. Let me show you a little bit of the backyard from the other window. Not much you can see because of the lighting in here. Even if I turn it off, the snow in the window kind of prevents you from really seeing what you're able to see in person.